Hello, and welcome to tutorial number 2. That's going to be over the Google site. Now, the Google site is different than Google Classroom. As I said in the other video, Google Classroom is where you will find assignments, where you will receive grades, where you will receive feedback, and where you'll find information about the class, such as the Google Meet and important information. The Google site, which is here, sites.google.com/henry.k12.ga.us/Rollins English. And as you can see, there are two pages. There's home and schedule. So on the home page, you'll see the class overview. You'll see the About Me section with my lovely picture, and a sort of overview of the course. And at the bottom, you'll find the resources, the weekly agenda, the course syllabus, of which this is a tutorial within, and then important information. Now, this is meant for your parents or guardians, but this is still something that you can come to if you want. It will be updated somewhat like the Google Classroom, but remember, your work is on the other site. On the schedule, I have posted a link to the new calendar, which you can see here and you can zoom in on to get a better perspective of. And then down here, which is the daily schedule. Now, the daily schedule will be different than this, most likely, but this just kind of gives you an idea of where it will be, and also a place for you to kind of come check just in case you're unsure, again, when classes are, because sometimes we're forgetful and that happens. But again, this is a site for your parents or guardians, but it is still something you can come to if you would like. Again, to look at the very bottom, to look at the weekly agenda, to go back to the syllabus, or again, to kind of look back at either the school calendar or the schedule for the day itself. And that concludes our look at my Google site page.